techniques they use and the reasoning behind it. And coming up in the next verse, I'll be talking to the band directly about their methods and their style. Verse, I explained that I would be following West Midlands pop combo with the Nightingales to try and understand the way they wrote their songs. Well, I caught up with the band at Media City in Salford, where they were to record a session for BBC Six Music's King of Swing, Marc Riley. There, band leader Robert Lloyd explained to me that they usually begin with one or two standard guitar motifs, known in pop music as riffs. Then they add a simple drum beat. And coming up in the next verse, he will describe in more detail how this modest beginning is fleshed out to become a finished song. Leader of cult Midlands pop group The Nightingales, had told me how the combo usually start the process of writing a song with one or two stock guitar riffs and a simple drum pattern. I asked him how the group progressed from this point to craft a finished piece. And with his band playing in the background at the BBC studio, he replied, "Well, I usually have a few lyrical ideas on the go, so I'll try and squeeze some written or improvised words into the riffage, or else get the band to mold their music to fit my gibberings. And even on occasion, I might ask one of the band to come up with a melody that I can sing. And with this basic music and the words on top, we're almost there. But then, unlike a lot of other inferior combos of the same ilk, we like to introduce some dynamics into our sound and our cobbled together arrangements to make the band sound more interesting sonically." I thought this sounded rather arrogant of him, and I asked what he meant. He replied to me, "Well, a trick that we usually use, in fact we use it on every album, in every concert, is that in one of the songs, 2/3 of the way through, the band play quieter and quieter and quieter, while I do some mumbling over the top. Then when I've finished ranting away, the band come in again at full blast. It always goes down well with the crowd, so we might as well do it now." For goodness sake, there's been a chunk of time since Satan and his mates met Brass and Frankenstein. Bleeding, bleeding, the bodies of babes, and running a functional train. Stealing, stealing, and taking around, and doing it all again. your teeth, pretend you're deaf, and go back to sleep.